Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I did a couple of videos like this morning, and then somebody commented, actually two people, so I decided to make another video. And they might be right, saying that the rotation is a little extra work, and it might be, but the rotation is always a good practice. So if we start in the center, hold down the shift and the control button, we get a star. I'm going to contour to the outside, and then I'm going to get the ellipse and start in the center, hold down the shift. And this way you can kind of see where your circle is going to end up or your ellipse is going to end up. And then this time, go to the inside because we're already pretty much at the maximum. Now, as always, you need to go and ungroup or break the objects apart or Control K. Let me get this out of the way. Then their suggestion was just use the virtual save and delete key on everything. So I'm going to zoom in on just the circle. And you've just got to remember, well, in the first one, we're going to let the circle flow. The second one, we're going to let the star, circle, star. Because if you don't, you'll get down here and you'll get confused. Circle, star. And this would really work in this case and maybe just as fast, if not faster, and maybe even better. So let's just take and fill in the star part and then change colors and fill in the four circle parts. I missed one of the tips of the star, but you can always go back with that same color and fill in the star. Now we still have the, well, for some reason it didn't fill in that. I must have missed one line. Let's, one thing we could do is right click, no outline, and see what we did. I missed a line. I missed that line right there. So get your just your smart fill tool and just fill these in. Change colors. Let's make it red. Maybe make it stand out. And then always select it all and right click, no line. Anyway, it might be quicker, they might be right. But if you had hundreds of patterns to do, I might try to come up with something to just show you that you wouldn't want to sit there and delete all the lines, that the rotation might actually be better. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.